As I have shown you in my last video, with GitHub Pages you can create a completely free website with free hosting, free SSL, free domain, and it works incredible with SEO. It's the perfect way to start a website. But today I'm going to show you something better. Today I'm going to show you Astro, and Astro takes your GitHub website to the next level. It makes your website faster and enables you to use templates and components, which means, for example, you don't have to copy your navbar to every single page. You can create it from one file and add it to every other place. Astro enables you to create a blog, a contact form, and you can choose from many different themes right here, which are all free and easy to install. For instance, this Astroship theme is completely free and you can simply use it with your Astro page. So let me show you how to add Astro to your GitHub page. So here's my repository from GitHub, which I've downloaded by using GitHub Desktop. And before we do something, please make sure that this folder is empty. And then open up Terminal and let's install Astro. So we do that by saying npm create Astro add latest, then press enter and Astro will start running. So the first question is, where should we create our new project? And we have to select our folder. So I've said / and then desktop, and then I've selected my hello TikTok GitHub IO folder right here, and then I press enter. The next question is, how would you like to start your new project? So you can use sample files, you can use a blog template, and we are going to use an empty Astro page. Install dependencies, we are going to say yes. Now this may take a minute. Do you plan to write TypeScript? We say no. But in case you would like to use TypeScript, you can simply change it later. And that's it. Astro is installed at our GitHub page. And if we go to Astro and check the docs, right here, if we click the GitHub Pages page, as you can see, there are two more steps that we have to do, but they are actually really easy. Let me show you. So the first thing that we need to do is to add our address, our domain to the Astro config MJS file. So if I open up our folder in a code editor, right here you can see there's this Astro config file, and the only thing that we need to do is to paste our domain right here. So you can simply copy this right here, site, copy that, and then we can edit right here. And the only thing you need to change is to change the username of this repo. So we are going to say hello TikTok, just like that, and then save it. And then the first step is done. The second step is also very easy. The only thing we have to do now is to create a file called .github workflows deploy YML. So let me show you how to do this. Simply right here, right click, new file, and then let's say .github / and then you say workflows / again, and then deploy .yml. Then press enter, and then you can simply copy this content right here without doing anything else, just like that. Save it, and that's it. Now you can upload everything to GitHub, and let me show you how the page will look like after uploading everything. So as you can see, this is our TikTok GitHub page, and Astro is installed. This is how it looks like. So everything went fine, and that's it. Now you could download some free themes from Astro or just simply code it by yourself. Have fun and see you next time.